Now, PayPal recently reported their earnings, and as you can see from the daily chart, price initially spiked higher only to close lower on the day. And today we're getting a gap and go for multiple reasons. Equity markets are down, the dollar's up, but also Bitcoin is down. And what I noticed from the last bull cycle and crash, PayPal stock, which is a fintech company, is somewhat correlated to Bitcoin. Now, let's take it back to the origin of the move higher. Again, PayPal is correlated to Bitcoin. This is 2022 and 2023, and we can see a huge move lower, which also coincides with Bitcoin's downward price action from 67K a couple of years ago to bottoming out at 18. Now, PayPal has lagged Bitcoin. As you can see, PayPal bottomed back in October of last year when it came into this beautiful monthly buy level at $52, and that was formed from this rally-based rally out. And if you wanted confirmation, well, you want it to go to a smaller time frame and look for another opportunity. And that opportunity came on the weekly chart. Right, you had to be patient. Patient meaning because after bottoming out at 52, price rose all the way up to $68, only to be met with resistance, which was support in the past. But here was the setup. Price came back, dipped its toes once, moved higher, penetrated the zone a bit more, and that was your opportunity to go long. Now we find price struggling to get through this support resistance band at $68, like I said. I do have a target at 75, and that target is going to have to wait for a little bit. Now this is back to the daily chart. I do want to point out to you this bull flag. And as you can see, price broke through, only to be retesting the origin of the breakout of the bull flag. But again, price target remains $75. One thing to note, price is above all the moving averages, so this is going to be a barrier, meaning we should not see price go lower than 61, 62, right? This yellow is the 200-day moving average. The white is the 100-day, and the red is the 50-day. Also coincides with a golden cross. That's where the 50-day crosses over and above the 200-day. So again, PayPal has posted a better than expected 14% uptick in first quarter total payment volume. The CEO, Alex Chriss, reiterated that the group remains focused on execution during an ongoing turnaround efforts. Now, Chriss has been overseeing a sweeping overhaul of the payments processor operations, including steep staff reductions as it looks to stem recently weak performance into its share price. PayPal said it expects annual earnings per share to increase by a mid to high single-digit percentage compared to last year's mark of $3.83. Now, the outlook comes after payment transactions in January and to March period jumped by 11% to 6.5 billion, thanks in part to an acceleration in demand for PayPal's branded checkout services. Now, analysts at Jefferies call top-line results strong, adding that there were impressive beats on growth in both transaction margin dollars and transaction gross profit. So, again, good quarter, being backed by analysts. And one can use the pullback as an opportunity to go long. But ideally what I want to see first is a candle close above this support resistance band. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.